So like all the other operations, division has some nice properties and some not so nice properties. The first thing we need to remember about division is not commutative, right? I can take, for example, 8 divided by 4, right? That's, if I have 8 things, I can take away 4 of them, and then another 4 of them to get 2 groups. On the other hand, if I have 4 divided by 8, well, that means I have 4 things, and I'd like to take away 8 of them. Can I do that? Well, no, of course I can't. Right, I get 0 with 4 things left over. And we'll talk in a little while about how to write down things left over. But these are definitely different. Similarly, division is not associative. For example, I might have 8 divided by the result of 4 divided by 2, or I might have the result of 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. What would that work out to? Well, 4 divided by 2, that means I have 4 things, and I take away 2 of them, and then 2 more of them. So that should give me 8 divided by 4 is 2. 8 divided by 2, I have 8 things, and I take away 2 of them, then 2 more, then 2 more, then 2 more, so I get 4 groups. This works out to 4. On the other hand, let's see, 8 divided by 4, I already did that up here. And now I have 2 divided by 2. That means I have 2 things. So I can only take away 2 once, obviously. So this is 1. So clearly the order matters, since 4 and 1 are different than each other. Alright, now what's nice about division? Well, we know some things about the number 1. Anything divided by 1 is the number we started with. And this makes sense, right? If I have any number of things and I take them away one at a time, how many times can I do that? Well, the same as the number of things I have. And by the same idea, anything divided by itself is 1. And again, that also makes sense, right? If I have some number of things and I take away that many, how many times can I do that before I run out? Just once. Division also has some interesting properties related to 0. The first one is nice. 0 divided by anything is 0. If I have no things, how many groups can I make? Well, I can't make any groups, no matter how small they are or how big they are. The second property relating to 0 is not so nice. Anything divided by 0 is undefined. What do we mean by undefined? It means this question doesn't make any sense. So the question I'm asking is, for example, if I have 6 divided by 0, this asks the question, I have 6 things. How many times can I take 0 away before I run out? Right, this is asking the question, I have 6 bananas and 0 children. I want to give my bananas away. How many bananas should I give each child? And the answer to that is, you're not going to be able to give your bananas away unless you find some children. Right? I'm not going to be able to get rid of my 6 things unless I take away more than 0. Right? So the answer is not, certainly it's not 0. If I have 6 things and I take nothing away and I don't do it at all, I haven't gotten rid of my 6 things. Also, for more subtle reasons, don't say 6 divided by 0 is infinity. And there are two reasons for that. The first, most important reason for that is when we're doing arithmetic problems, the answer we're looking for is a number. Infinity, while it is a mathematical idea, is not a number. The second reason that you shouldn't do this is that if you're doing this, you're saying, for example, that 6 divided by 0 equals 5 divided by 0. And that's going to create some problems down the road. No, what you should be thinking is, this question doesn't make any sense. Anything divided by 0 is undefined. If division by 0 turns up somewhere in a problem, either you've made a mistake or the problem doesn't have a solution.